What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of news application development series in Android Studio. In last video we have displayed all the news in a recycler view. We have also added linear progress indicator, so when it loads it will show the linear progress indicator. So in this video we will add some buttons over here to categorize the news so that when we click on the button it will show the news of that category. So let's get started. So we'll go to activity main.xml. Below this text view we will add the categories. So below this text view I will add horizontal. So horizontal scroll view, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, margin will be about 4 dp, and ID will be horizontal layout, buttons, and inside this horizontal scroll view I will add linear layout, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, orientation will be of course horizontal, and inside this I will add all the buttons. So first button, let's say button, wrap content, ID will be button 1 and margin will be 6 dp and text will be the category name. What will be the category name? Let's see the documentation. Here, as you can see over here, you can go to this top headlines. In the documentation you can see over here we have this category. So we can pass business, entertainment, general, health, science, sports, technology. We can pass this category. So let's go back. Let's create a first category that will be general. So in this way we will add all these categories. So let's copy this. We have total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 categories. So let's paste it. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let's change all of them. Second will be business. Third can be sports, technology, health, entertainment, science. You can add anywhere. So ID will be button 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we have this button over here. If you run the application, let's see it is looking nice or not. So as you can see over here, buttons are visible. All the buttons are visible. We can click this, but we have not implemented anything, but it is looking good. Let's implement the click event. So go to main activity.java. Let's import all those buttons. So button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5, 6 and 7. So here we have to add the IDs. Find view ID r.id.button 1. Let's paste it 7 times. 2, 3, 6 and 7. 2, 3. So you have to cross check if you have same or not. Button 2 will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we have to set on click listener. So for that we will go to main activity and implement on click listener over here. So view.onClick listener, so that we will get the method from here. If you hover, we have this implement method. This is on click on OK. So here we have on click method. Before that we will set the on click listener. So button 1 dot set on click listener, this, and you can do it 7 times. 6, 7. So we have set it on click listener on all the button. Let's go to this on click method over here, and when button is clicked, what we'll do, we will get the button first, whatever the button is clicked, and we will get the category. So string category will be from button.getText. Whatever the text is there in button, we'll get the category. Dot to string, so we'll get the category if it is general, business or science or any other. Now in according to this category we have to get the news. So for that we will change the get news method. Here we will add one parameter that will be category. So in this way we'll receive the category, but where we have to add, in this builder we have to add category. Category will be our category. So now we have to pass the category from here also. So while opening the news application we have to pass, let's say first we have general category. We will receive the news from general category, and when button is clicked, get news category will be from the clicked button category. So whenever the application is loaded, it will get the general news. Whenever we click on button, it will get the news of that category. Then it will automatically set to recycler view. Let's run it and test it. So this is the general news. Let's click on business. You can see over here it loads all the business news. Click on sport. All the sport news are there. If you click on technology, we get the technology news. So our button is working fine. Entertainment will be entertainment. So that's all for this video. In next video we'll implement the search view so that whenever we want to search the specific news, we can search from there and we will note the news from search query. And also we'll implement when we click on the news, it should open the full news in another activity. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts and queries, please comment below. I will reply for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before going. See you in the next video. Bye bye.